everyone, it's Chadni. Welcome back to my channel, Super School. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to cover a very important topic from English grammar, which is preposition. Again, when I say it's very important, all of the topics are important. So you might wonder why in every video she says that it's important, and then again, like emphasis on one particular topic. So anyways, in my short videos, I'm not being able to discuss everything elaborately. As you know, it's only for 3 to 4 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. So if you think that you have a lot of problem with English grammar and also you are struggling with your spoken English or English speaking skills, then please do book for my free speaking session, and also you can attend my online classes and practice speaking with me, and where I can answer all your questions and also discuss everything elaborately. One thing that I want to say is when I was a teacher in school, I found out that in a classroom setting where there are many people sitting together, they lack concentration. They fail to concentrate or focus in the material or in the content. But if you can learn something on your own, where you're sitting at the comfort of your home, you can have a cup of coffee and nobody else is distracting you, it's the most effective way of learning. And the online classes are actually offering such a platform for the learners. So for the ones who want to practice spoken English, who want to interact with people, but then again they want to be at their comfortable zone, then online sessions or online classes is the best place for you. Trust me, it's the best place for you. So moving on to the topic that I want to discuss today. It's important, but it's short, and that's why I thought of sharing some important observations or experience or my perspectives with you. So the topic is preposition. We know that in, at, on is the common preposition that are used in sentences, right? But many of us, we are confused where to use in, where to use on, and where to use at. So I will use a basic example to make you understand the main intuition of these three words, which are yet small but very important. That is, for example, if you're talking about some enclosed area, like in the drawer or in the bag, so some enclosed area, then you have to use in. But if you're talking about any surface, on the table, on the desk, so a surface, then you have to use on. But if you're talking about a particular place on a surface, like here, so on the table, at the corner, on the table, at the corner, so a particular place in a surface. So as simple as that, it's not that difficult. Now try to practice it in sentences, and do let me know in the comment section below that how much this simple intuition helped you. Yes, and if you want to do sessions with me or classes with me, or if you would like me to teach you how to speak in English fluently, be your instructor, then please like and subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page, where you can get a free speaking session, and also you can express your willingness to do my online sessions. Thank you so much.